So, friends, you can see that we will learn how to set normal time and railway time. There are two buttons in this. First, press the upper button once. Then, press the lower button. Press the lower button again. And again. And again. Keep pressing the lower button multiple times. Now, you can see that we will press the upper button. This is now normal time. Press it once again, and now, it has switched to railway time. If you want to set it back to normal time, press the button once more. The display should show 12 o'clock, right? Only then will the normal time be set correctly. Now, let's check it again. You can see that it is showing 10:12, isn't it? If you want railway time, what should you do? Press the upper button once. Then press the lower button multiple times. Now, press the upper button once again, and your railway time is set. Now, let's check it. You can see that your time is set correctly, right? Friends, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.